Safety is a growing concern, especially around our schools. Road accidents, dark alleys, and unfamiliar faces can put our children at risk. We need innovative solutions to protect our community. Imagine an AI that sees danger before it strikes. Using smart cameras and computer vision, we can detect threats in real time. Instant alerts to authorities and parents can prevent accidents and keep our streets safe. Introducing Smart City Guard, an AI-powered safety system. It includes smart surveillance cameras, traffic sensors, and a user-friendly mobile app. A central dashboard allows for constant safety monitoring. We designed a smart city model to test our AI. We created a safety alert mobile app for community use. A demo video showcases how the AI detects danger. Surveys with teachers and students helped refine our approach. Smart City Guard sends real-time safety alerts directly to your phone. It protects children and the public from potential harm. The entire community can use it, and it's scalable to other cities. Our AI respects privacy and avoids bias. We ensure transparency in its operations. Smart City Guard is continuously monitored and improved to maintain ethical standards.